In today's podcast, I'm gonna share with you a tweet from Dan Coe on how to make more money and escape the predictable paycheck. This is literally me translating and reading his Twitter thread. I'm gonna include the Twitter in the descriptions below on the podcast, but it's gonna be a very short, mind-blowing, perspective-shifting kind of message. So listen up, giddy up, and let's get to business. So, a stream of conscious thread, and I quote: money is the lifeblood of society. Money is the resource to build your future. Money is the universal unit of value exchange. Money is how you contribute to what you want to see in humanity. Making money has become a necessity for those that want to live the fullest life. Everything around you has money tied to it. The phone in your hand, the problems in your mind, the food on your table, the gas in your car, and the content you consume. You struggle to make money, you struggle to make more money because you don't stick your hand in the profitable rivers that surround you. You can't make more money because you've accepted the limits of what's possible that society projected on you. Again, you can't make more money because you've accepted the limits of what's possible that society projected onto you. If you never push beyond what your parents, teachers, and friends tell you, then that becomes your limited or your capped potential. You can't make more money because you can't spot opportunities to make money. You can't spot opportunities to make money because you haven't developed a skill set that shapes how you perceive situations. In other words, to make more money, you must understand what value is. Value is perception. Perception is relative. Value is determined by the psychology of the individual that is going to pay you for it. What one person believes is worth millions of dollars may hold no value to another person, just like an art piece. To make more money, become a massive value creator. Become obsessed with marketing, sales, writing, influence, psychology, offer creation, social media, audience building, and more. Build as you learn, or else you don't learn a thing. To make money outside of a predictable paycheck, you need people, you need a product, and you need promotions. A product can be anything from a course, software, freelance book, gadget, or any other object in the world. A product must solve a real problem in people's lives. The best way to identify a real problem is to solve your own. Most people fail to make more money because they haven't experienced the problem that they are trying to solve. A product must be promoted in a way that is perceived as valuable by a person that needs that solution. Once you have a product, you need people. It's foolish to think you can put effort into a product and not put effort into getting eyes on it. The people you attract to your product must see its value, or else they won't pay you money. If your product was made by solving your own problems, put it in front of people with those same problems. People can be found locally, on social media, in niche communities, paid advertisements, and anywhere else people reside. People are everywhere, products are everywhere, money is everywhere. Your job is to promote your product to the right people over and over and over again, until you fail enough so that you can afford success. I'm going to say that again. Your job is to promote your product to the right people over and over and over again until you fail enough so that you can afford success. Build for yourself to create a product. Write to yourself to attract people. Sell to yourself to craft promotions. And that is how you make money. To learn more, read Dan's latest blog article and newsletter that is called Entrepreneurship is Modern Survival. Between quotes, how to escape wage slavery. I'm going to include the link in this podcast episode. Let me know if you like this kind of format, if you want me to record more notes, more tweets, more thoughts that I like, that I consume, that really inspires me. But be aware, this message is through Dan's Co's lens, through Dan's Co's observation of the world. This might not work for everybody, but for those who does, hope you get it safely and hope you take action on what you learned here. Share if you care, and I will see you in traffic.